Hello, this is Jennifer from Missouri City Branch Library, and I'm here to go over some of the features of LearningExpress Library. One great resource available to you through our online learning databases are the multitude of practice tests offered through LearningExpress Library. Within this easy-to-use e-learning platform are tutorials, practice tests, and ebooks. Study for and practice a large variety of tests to help you further your education or career. The tests are designed to help you build and practice different skills and prepare for important exams. There are practice tests that aid in career preparation, college admissions, graduate school admissions, and also in high school equivalency exams. Here are a few of the practice tests available to you through LearningExpress Library. For people entering college, we have the SAT, ACT, TOEFL, and CLEP exams. For people entering graduate school, we have the GRE, GMAT, LSAT, MCAT, PCAT, DAT, and MAT exams. We also offer test preparation for CDL and ASVAB exams. For those looking for career advancement, we offer testing and certification preparation for air traffic controllers, social workers, civil service workers, cosmetologists, the hospitality industry, electricians, plumbers, EMTs, firefighters, law enforcement, nurses, teachers, and those in real estate. You can even prepare for the U.S. citizenship exam. To start practicing, simply create an account with the database. You may register with your name, email address, and a password, or sign in using your Google account. Registering your account allows you to save your work in progress, save score reports, and revisit any practice tests, tutorials, or ebooks. Once you have logged in, navigate to the test or tutorial you want to use. Tests can be found either by using a simple keyword search in the search bar or by navigating within the broad subject of your interest. Explore Career Center Plus, High School Equivalence Center, College Admissions Test Preparation, High School Students, and College Center Plus to see the multitude of tests available. Click Start Test or Start Tutorial. Click the Finish Later button at the top of the page to save your work. Each test varies in the number of questions, types of questions, and test length. Clicking on the name of a test will display a detailed description of the test. Some of the tests are practices for official examinations and provide you with the amount of time allotted for the official test. By taking a timed test, you learn how to pace yourself and not spend too much time on any one section to help you prepare for the official exam. Explore LearningExpress Library to see all that it has to offer. To continue learning more about LearningExpress Library, check out our video covering resume help.